Stepping into femininity is an exhilarating experience, and as a crossdresser, there's no better way to express your style than by pairing skirts with boots. Whether you're going for a cute and flirty look or aiming for edgy sophistication, the right combination of skirt length and boot height can make all the difference. However, navigating this fashion landscape can be challenging. With so many options available in terms of both skirts and boots, it's easy to make mistakes that detract from your overall look. But fear not. In this video, we will guide you through the process of styling skirts with boots with ease and finesse. To start off on the right foot, pun intended, let's delve into choosing the right boot length. The length of your boot plays a crucial role in determining how well it pairs with different types of skirts. From ankle booties to knee-highs and over-the-knee stunners, each offers its own unique charm when styled correctly. It's all about finding that perfect balance between skirt length and boot height, a harmonious blend that enhances your feminine silhouette without overwhelming it. So if you're ready to elevate your skirt and boot game while avoiding common fashion faux pas along the way, read on. We've got plenty of practical tips lined up just for you. When it comes to styling skirts with boots, choosing the right skirt style is crucial for creating a polished and balanced look. Different skirt styles can complement various types of boots, so let's dive into some recommendations. A-line skirts are a perfect choice for pairing with ankle or mid-calf boots. The flared silhouette of an A-line skirt adds movement and femininity to your ensemble while providing a flattering shape that works well with most body types. Plus, the added volume helps to balance out the bulkiness of certain boot styles. If you're looking to create an edgier outfit, consider opting for pencil skirts when wearing knee-high or thigh-high boots. This sleek and form-fitting style elongates your legs beautifully while showcasing the full length of your fabulous footwear. Just be mindful that pencil skirts work best on those blessed with an hourglass figure or curvier hips, as they tend to accentuate these features. Remember, when selecting your skirt style, take time to consider your body shape as well as the overall vibe you want to achieve. Now that we've covered appropriate skirt styles, let's move on to another essential aspect: how to choose the right boot height. When it comes to styling skirts with boots, one of the key elements to consider is color. Choosing complementary colors can make a big difference in how cohesive and put together your outfit looks. A simple trick is to select colors from opposite sides of the color wheel, as they tend to harmonize well together. For example, if you're wearing a black skirt, try pairing it with brown or tan boots for an understated yet elegant look. Contrast can also be a great tool when styling skirts with boots. Opting for contrasting colors can create visual interest and make your outfit stand out. For instance, pairing a bold red skirt with black ankle boots can be both striking and eye-catching. To take it up a notch, experiment with different shades of the same color family. This monochromatic approach creates a sophisticated and cohesive look without being too matchy-matchy. Consider combining pastel pink suede boots with a deeper shade of pink skirt for an effortlessly chic ensemble. Remember that finding complementary colors is not about following strict rules but rather playing around and discovering what works best for you and your personal style. Don't be afraid to mix things up and have fun experimenting. One of the key aspects of styling skirts with boots is accessorizing. The right accessories can truly elevate your outfit and add that extra flair you're looking for. One way to enhance your look is by adding a belt to define your waistline. This not only accentuates your feminine figure but also adds structure and visual interest to your ensemble. Opt for a belt in a contrasting color or one with an eye-catching buckle design to make it a statement piece. Another accessory that can instantly transform your outfit is statement jewelry. Bold necklaces, chunky bracelets, or oversized earrings can draw attention towards your upper body and divert the gaze from any areas you wish to downplay. Experiment with different styles and materials such as metallics, crystals, or beads to find what resonates best with your personal style. Remember, when accessorizing, it's important not to go overboard. Less is often more. Choose one statement piece or focus on smaller complementary accessories that tie the whole look together without overwhelming it. Accessorizing allows you to inject personality into your outfit while ensuring it remains balanced and polished according to Vogue guidelines. When it comes to styling skirts with boots, one of the biggest mistakes that crossdressers make is not paying attention to proportions. Incorrect proportions can make an outfit look unbalanced or disproportionate, which can be a major fashion faux pas. To avoid this common mistake, it's important to consider the length and shape of both your skirt and your boots. Firstly, when choosing a skirt length, keep in mind that shorter skirts tend to visually elongate the legs while longer skirts may have a shortening effect. If you want a balanced look, opt for a skirt length that hits at or slightly above the knees. This will create harmony between your upper body and lower body proportions. Secondly, consider the style of both your skirt and boots. A pencil skirt paired with ankle boots can create a sleek and sophisticated silhouette, while a line or flowy skirts work well with knee-high or over-the-knee boots for added drama. Matching the right shapes together will result in harmonious proportions that enhance your overall appearance. Lastly, don't forget about color coordination. Opting for neutral-colored boots like black or brown can help create cohesion within your outfit without overpowering the rest of your ensemble. By paying attention to these proportion tips, you'll be able to rock any skirt-boot combination with confidence while avoiding any awkward visual imbalances. When it comes to styling skirts with boots, there are certain do's and don'ts that can make or break your outfit. To help you avoid common fashion mistakes, we have compiled a list of essential do's and don'ts. While matching your skirt color with your boot color might seem like a good idea in theory, it often ends up looking too coordinated and lacking creativity. Instead, consider contrasting colors or complementary shades to add visual interest to your ensemble. Skirts come in various lengths, so take advantage of this by trying out different options. For taller crossdressers, midi or maxi skirts can be particularly flattering as they elongate the body proportionately. If you're on the shorter side, opt for skirts above the knee to create an illusion of longer legs. Bulky socks can ruin the sleek silhouette created by slim-fitting boots when paired with skirts. Instead, choose thin trouser socks or tights that will keep you warm without adding extra bulk. The key to a balanced look lies in understanding proportions. If you're wearing a flowy skirt with lots of volume, pair it with ankle boots to create a harmonious balance between top and bottom halves of your body. On the other hand, if you've chosen a fitted pencil skirt, go for knee-high boots to maintain symmetry. Accessories play an important role in completing any outfit, including ones featuring skirts and boots. Consider adding a belt around your waistline when wearing high-waisted skirts to accentuate your curves further. Scarves or statement necklaces can also elevate simpler outfits instantly. By following these essential do's and avoiding common pitfalls mentioned here, you'll be able to confidently rock skirts with boots, creating stylish and fashionable looks that suit your personal style. Remember, it's all about experimenting, finding what works for you, and most importantly, having fun along the way. When it comes to styling skirts with boots, the finishing touches can truly make or break your outfit. One essential element to consider is hosiery options. Depending on the look you want to achieve, stockings or tights can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your ensemble. Opt for sheer stockings in nude or black shades for a classic look that will elongate your legs and create a seamless transition from skirt to boot. Another important aspect of completing the look is choosing the right footwear for different occasions. While knee-high boots are suitable for casual outings and everyday wear, ankle boots can be a more versatile option that works well with both midi and mini skirts. For dressier occasions, consider investing in a pair of heeled boots for added height and glamour. Remember, the key is to select footwear that complements your outfit while also being comfortable enough to walk in comfortably throughout the day or night. Take into account factors such as heel height, material quality, and fit when making your decision. Comfort should never be compromised. By paying attention to these finishing touches, such as hosiery choices and appropriate footwear, you'll ensure that your skirt and boots combination looks polished and put together no matter where you're going. Experiment with different options until you find what works best for you. Confidence is key.